Kids e-assistant Talkee. Do you know what your child is doing when you are away? Do you have enough time to spend with your child to understand what exactly their interests, behaviors, and motives are? Does your child tell everything that comes to their mind? No, they don't. But simple app can interact and detect child's hidden interests and behaviors. Approach the solution. Let child interact with smartphone apps, especially interact with Talkie apps. Let child use Talkie app freely. Allow to communicate with app freely and openly. Type the question in his mind and then save question request in database. Create answers for question. How? Feed answers against question through DB by their parents. Also, child can allow to explore materials such as images and books, which will make child to use the app more interactive. The children, parents, and both communicate through Talkie app. So Talkie app will act as a virtual assistant between children and parent. The objective is to learn and understand the behavior and interest of children by using an interactive and intelligent mobile application. Educate them in a way parents wish. Facilitate children explore the images and reading materials available. Scope target age group is between 2.5 to 8 years old children. A child can interact in three different ways. Search for information, knowledge, books, and images. Yes. Child parents. First child asks question through the Talkie app. At what time I should go to bed? So parents sleep before 9 o'clock. So that answer will go to the child through Talkie app. Show me a dog. So child also can search images through this app. Also child can search a books. Get me a Tintin book. So Talkie app will return the book.
The architecture is like this. So child can ask question, or he can ask for image, or he can ask for a book reference. So what would happen is all these questions go to AngularJS engine, and through that we reach to the Google Web Speech API, which will convert voice into text. Then the converted text will be transferred to the .NET application, which has questions and the component which asks the question. That means if it's from image tag, book, if it will send the book tag, or if it's a guidance request or question, it will go in that way. And through .NET application, what would happen is if it is a question, it will go to Akame language API and find the keywords. Then it will search for the keywords in the DB. If there are questions similar to that which has answer, it will return the answers in that. Or if there's no questions previously saved with answers, what would happen is it will be saved in the DB and it will send the default answer. And if it is a book search, what would happen is through Brilliant Series API, it will return book reference URLs, or if it is image request, it will return image URLs using DK Images API. So by this way, the kid can interact with the application very happily, and parents can feed the whatever the answers they want through the SQL DB in parental module. For that, they have a different UI from anywhere they can access and insert answers.
So technology framework, we have used AngularJS Engine, C#, MicroSQL Server, Google Web Speech API, and Language API, PSN, DK Image API, PSN Brill, and Series API. Advantage: observe the child through an app, offers parent a window onto a child thinking. Parents can closely understand children's behavior and interest pattern over a period of time. Parents can direct and influence the behavior and thinking pattern and with their own responses. Kids can absorb information and act accordingly by the use of technology, and this will help parents to control and command their children as virtual parents. App includes simple graphic animation and responses which will make children fun, interactive, and attentive. The working parent who doesn't get much time to spend with their kids, this app helps them to understand more about their children's interests. Parents can also guide and educate their children and help them to make a better decision. Future enhancement will be implementation of fully functional mobile app for both parents and children, enabling multilingual support, Generate reports based on the child past behavioral patterns such as type of question asked, interest areas, and etc.